analyzing the arrival process, a summary. So what we did, we tried to analyze the arrival process and decide whether the data that we have tell us that the process is stationary or not, and then if the inter-arrival times are exponentially distributed or not. So what is the decision tree? What do we have to do here? If you first check that the process, whether the process is stationary or not, the arrivals are stationary. If they are not stationary, you have to break the arrival process into smaller time intervals and go back with each interval to this point to make sure it is now stationary. So basically, we need to create small enough intervals to have the process stationary. Once we do this, we arrive here, and then we check whether the inter-arrival times are exponentially distributed. If yes, then this is the best case. All our models will apply. The coefficient of variation for inter-arrival times will be 1, because that's the case for exponentially distributed inter-arrival times. And we can calculate the average inter-arrival time from the data. If no, then we can still use the models, but some models will work only approximately. And in most cases, if you want accurate results, you need to use the simulation.